Test, 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 test. Do you hear me? That's nice. Okay. So yo, what's up? This is an agreement, and I'm gonna to look at my sample from Čičmany. It is in a village in which my family roots comes from, and I think I believe this will be the last stream before I will go to the Netherlands. Because just in a few hours I will go to the bus, which will go to the Germany and from Germany to the Netherlands. And I really like this water. I had in plan to just get my microscope to back and pass it to my mom so she can take it to new home till I will be in the Netherlands. And but as I was in Čičmany, I just noticed that this water is still alive as it was as I was young. And when I was young, there was like leeches and some sort of larvae which have in how to say it they used to make their shells out of sticks and stones and so on around their body, and there were a lot of different things, and so I believe this water will be rich with life. So I'm just aké je tá práza, že teším sa. Hey, okay. So I'm just looking forward to just see this sample because it is the most alive water like river which I saw by a naked eye till now. So yeah, this is it. Wait a second. Okay. Here we go. Let's set the polarization a little bit. Okay, so this is some sort of debris, but we already can see even more types of diatoms here. I'm gonna record this also. Money sample observation. And this one is probably dividing, it looks like it. Or no, maybe this is just long one with big space for the nucleus. I'm curious what is the structure between the chloroplasts. I think it will be some sort of skeletal thing, like some part of cytoskeleton. If it comes to leeches in the Čičmany river, there was like as a kid I was playing there, and I even did not notice, and I already had 3 leeches on me. Now I saw some leech crawling under the water at the bottom of the river. So yeah, this is the atom dividing, or they are just mating somehow. I do not remember if they just share their DNA or their genome, or they are mating in some different style. Okay, so here are some past ciliate, and again some diatom. I even saw some snail here, like underwater snail. So and there were also, I'm not sure how it is, lobsters, if I can translate it like this correctly, if I can put it in this way. River lobsters, but they died at the for the believe more, jak to powinieneś? Plague, some sort of plague, ale nie wiem, ako sa povie vyslovene more. Hej, hej, hej. Iba plague? What? Divno. Okay. So they died because of plague, which was here by mistake of humans, because we were taking different type of lobsters here, because there were already low amounts. So and because here are the new lobsters, they carried the plague with them, so all of the lobsters died afterwards. There's some spinning beach. And here is the atom moving. Okay, this one's really fast, like my camera is not making enough frames, so it looks long for a second. This really rich with the atoms. They're like everywhere, and a lot of kinds, because a lot of species, because those have like round corners, or just, I mean, the shorter part of their wall is just uh, it's like box. Those just looks like boxes. The left one looks like it's already dead. And you can see here is another kind, another species. This one is smaller, looks more like some sort of pillow. And I think I saw also some cyanobacteria, wall colony somewhere. I'm not sure what is this. It looks like smaller part from larger organism. Oh, okay, I think it is a nematode. Some a type of fungi is eating nematodes, and when they eat them, the nematode looks similarly damaged like this. I'm not really sure if it is really nematode. Maybe it is more like some sort of plant. It is alive. What is this? Like this, it looks like some snail, but maybe this is just moving because of the stream of the water. We're not sure. Okay, I cannot identify this one. Not sure what was this. This looks like cells, but again from larger organism. I think this is from some sort of plant. Okay, I think this is enough from observation of this specimen. We can do another specimen of this sample. Yeah, and this is another part of the plant. You can see this from more cells, but I cannot see really the nuclei. Let's add some contrast here. I think the large part is up. No, I don't think. I'm just thinking if this orb in the middle is nucleus or not, but I don't think so. It is probably some larger organism, or you can see a lot of bacteria just moving there. I don't think this I don't think plants have any organoids looking like this, so this will be some sort of bacteria. And the round thing in the middle is probably enterbacteria or just... Yeah, it looks alive, so I think it is probably not a bacteria, maybe ciliate or archaea, or it is just not alive and the bacteria is moving it around. I'm not sure. But it looks like it has some sort of organelle, thanks to which it is moving, but I cannot see it properly. Yeah, this has lots of bacteria. It is probably already dying, and that's probably why I cannot see the nuclei. Okay, it's enough. I'm gonna do another observation, and after that, I'm gonna end this stream. And probably next video, which I will upload probably, will be just about the peptone, making peptone out of milk, as I was saying before. We will see, maybe something will come to me and I will make some different video which will be simpler, like smaller project compared to this one, the peptone. I had in plan to make a video about news from Embary. No, that was from Schmidt Ocean, as they found the squid, how it was called, the not colossal, yeah, colossal squid, yeah, the colossal squid was found after 100 years after it gets its name. So I was making short about it, short video, but somehow I didn't finish it, and I'm afraid that I will not finish it even in the Netherlands because I'm just lazy to put things from my computer to my notebook. Sorry, I'm not sure how you say this type of computer in English. We could just call it notebook, but I'm not sure. Some laptop or something like the mobile version of the PC. So I'm just not taking my PC to the Netherlands. I'm taking only the mobile version. Okay, we have another sample here. I cannot see shit. Oh, okay. Wait a second. I think I didn't took enough of the sediment, so there will be less of the life there and less of anything interesting to watch. Another plant, another plant part here. Oh, sorry. Okay, here's some ciliate, at least something alive here. Okay, I'm gonna change again the sample. This was too boring to finish this stream. I was getting rid of a lot of samples today because as we are probably gonna sell this house till I will be in the Netherlands, I'm gonna need for to get rid a lot of my things, like move to another house or take to Netherlands with me or just move it to the bin because so my family will have it more easy to um, moving our things to the new house and so on. So I just want to make my part, and some of the samples was almost 1 year old. So I was a little bit sad that I am gonna throw it out. It will be interesting video to just show the progress of the sample through the year. Like imagine video um, about sample which will be about, I don't know, 3 years at least old, and I will make a video that how it changed all through the months. Like every month I will just show some show some part of some observation, and just put some music there, and it could be interesting video, so it could be useful to have like old sample. I'm not sure really which was my first sample, but it was probably just soil with distilled water, or maybe we have also some sort of snail trap sample. Snail trap with water, which I from which I took the water from, and I used it as a sample, and it was probably the first one. And also, I just took some moss from the garden, and also I give it some distilled water, and those were like the first samples. Those had almost a year, or maybe some of them already had a year, because like the snail trap sample didn't have any mm, datum on it, so I cannot say from when was the day when I get it. I'm not sure if this is paramecium or not, but it moves a lot. we can see here some sucker. I'm gonna record this one. And I forgot to get rid of the water from my aquarium. So it will be probably the last thing which I will do of from about things about getting rid of things. So after that I will just gonna play Minecraft. I'm not sure if I will go sleep or not. And I'm gonna also stream it to my another channel about gaming and other stuff, just having fun. And before I had in plan to buy some liquid mycelium for culturing fungi, but it is already late now. It is too hot to just transport a liquid mycelium. It could die while transferring, and it also costs some money. So uh, I'm not financially stable, or like I'm not at a good status with my finances, so I didn't buy anything like that. And that's also why I'm moving to Netherlands, because I cannot find some job with a good salary here. So thanks to the Netherlands, I will probably get some money for new things, thanks to which I can make progress in my hobbies. So maybe we can do some interesting content later. I can see here some different. I'm really not sure what is this, and the thing in the right is the atom for sure, but those things I'm not sure what are. I don't think they are really the atoms, but that is also possible. It looks like a lot of them are dying. I'm not sure if it is really bacteria in them or not, but I will bet that yeah, it is bacteria, but it is too black to be common bacteria. Like I think I didn't notice bacteria like this till now. Okay, this a little bit looks also like the atom, but yeah, I think I will bet this is the atom, but I never saw the atom like this. And also, yeah, microplastics everywhere. Again, we almost don't have anything interesting now, but this one looks like some dead cell. Again, okay, it is moving. So yeah, this will be the atom. There are existing also some sort of big viruses which are big enough to be seen by a microscope, I think, by light microscope. But I don't think they are common to. I don't think I have the luck enough to see them because I don't think they are common. I don't think they are commonly found. I'm not sure if it is really alive, but it was moving, so probably it is. Another diatom. I didn't find anything new here in this sample. There are mostly things there are just things which I already saw before, so this sample is not that good to observe as different samples I had before. One of the rarest things in my samples, which are not that common for me to see, were Heliozoa. I had one sample in which it was like a really lot of Heliozoa. It was, I think, around the winter, which is interesting to see it in winter because a lot of the organisms are mostly just in the summer active. But Heliozoa probably for Heliozoa it is probably more common to be alive in that period. Interesting is that even in the similar um, temperature and inside of my house, I just get Ostracodas in aquarium, which is here for some months. I just get Ostracodas just now in the spring. Like I'm curious, what can it be that it hatched its eggs in the aquarium? Because the aquarium is from water, which is from the water dam in Vavrečka, and which is city here. Or oh no, it is near Vavrečka. I'm not sure how it is called the city. Vavrečka is village, and I had this water for a few months, maybe 3 months or so from the winter, and there were no eggs, and just now in the spring they hatched. Oh, sorry, no eggs, no imagos of Ostracoda. This will be plastics. Fuckers. And you can see here some cyanobacteria colony. Yeah, even moving. I cannot remember if I already streamed cyanobacteria moving. I already recorded it, but not streamed, I think. I think I lost it. I probably don't have big vision for this magnification to seat wall, but at least we maybe can see how it is divided into more cells. At least we can see the nuclei, but hardly we can see walls of the bacteria, the membranes. The chloroplasts are around this big as one cell of cyanobacteria. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sa povie kurva rozlúčiť. Filip, jak sa povie rozlúčiť, ty piči? Jak sa povie rozlúčiť? Hej. Wait a second. We have problem with translating. Say goodbye iba? To nemajú nejaký iný
Tak,
prejav?
ale jak to myslíš, v jakom kontexte?
No, že jedna časť sa s vami rozlúčiť. Akože môže sa tak povedať, hej? Ja viem, ale mne sa zdá, že bola na to aj iná fráza, vieš? Okay, no. So I thought there is some sort of a different phrase for this in English language, but I just wanted to say goodbye, and I think it is time for it. So, yeah. See ya